Are you ready to unleash the Excel magic? Brace yourselves because today we are setting off an explosion of productivity with a jaw dropping Excel feature that will turn you into a true pro. Welcome to another amazing class of Excel. Flash fill. But hold on to your hats because we are not starting with the usual. No. We are diving headfirst into incredible world of Excel flash fill, the superhero of time-saving techniques. You have got messy, unstructured data and you need it cleaned up and organized it. Enter Flashfill, your data's new best friend. It's like waving a magic wand over your spreadsheet and watching it transform like never before. Need to split names? Flashfill does it. Extracting info from chaos. Flashfill's got your back. It's like having a personal data wizard at your service. Let me give you some examples how Flashfill works and how sometimes we have to train it to extract data which is actually we want. For example, I want first name of all these names in this column and last name in these columns. By doing manually, for example, it's a large data, it took too much time. But you can use Flashfill. For example, just put first name to train Excel, go to next cell, press Ctrl plus E from your keyboard, like boom. All the first name of all the entries will be entered in your respected cells. You can same do for your last cell numbers, for example, last uh, names. For example, I trained it, press Ctrl plus E, like boom. Another crazy thing also Flash will do. For example, you are going to put email for each. They all are working in same organization. So you just put email of first person at the rate example.com. You just want to copy name and it took too much time to do it manually. Just press Ctrl plus E, like this. It will place in your respected cells with their name. Same thing you can do it for numbers. Anything you want to do. You want extract only first three numbers from product code. Just type first three number for first one and press Ctrl plus E. Excel will detect it. You want to extract only middle numbers. First press 234, Ctrl plus E. Like it will extract only middle numbers. Same for last three numbers. 563. Sorry. 563. Ctrl plus E. Like it will extract last three numbers from this column. You can also combine the names. If you have first name, last name in separate columns, you can combine them by using Flashfill. It's a major time-saving technique which you can use while working and make your data efficient. So move on our example. For example, I want to combine all names in single cell. So just enter one name manually. Go to other cell, press Ctrl plus E, like it combine each. For example, you want to extract first alphabet. Just enter first alphabet, press enter, Ctrl plus E. It will extract all the first alphabets from your data and give you output. For example, you want to put last three alphabets. The last three alphabets are day, like press Ctrl E. As you see, it did not filled up according to our requirements because it extracts fifth and onwards numbers. In Tuesday, fifth alphabet is S, so it extracts from fifth to last. At this time, we have to train it. We want only last 3. So we will clear it. We also put last 3 digits for it to make couple of entries to train it. Actually what we want. Press Ctrl plus E. Now see. It will detect only your respective numbers which you want. Imagine the look on your colleagues' faces when you transform data with a few clicks. They will be convinced you have cracked the Excel code to success. But this is not your ordinary Excel trick. This is a game changer. Say farewell to tedious tasks and hello to efficiency like you have never experienced. Ready for the next level? In our upcoming video, we will unravel every Flashfill secret, guiding you step by step to mastery. Prepare for a journey into Excel greatness. Don't miss a beat, hit that subscribe button and get ready for an Excel transformation like no other. Get ready to conquer Excel like a pro.